Canine Training in Fredericksburg, and this is Bruno. Bruno is a 5-month-old mini Bernedoodle, and he's so fluffy I'm gonna die. He was just dropped off for our 2-week board and train program. Bruno here, his owner, her mom, dog was Bruce Wayne, and he was one of the other dogs that I had trained. So I came recommended, so I get Bruno now, which I'm super excited about. Some of the issues with Bruno, he's a puppy, so he's got all the crazy puppy terrors. Tries to eat everything, chew everything. Potty training is not real good. Command-wise, doesn't really know any commands because, yeah, he's just a puppy doing his own thing. So after his 2 weeks, he'll be good to go, but let's see what he does know now. Bruno, come. Good boy. Can you sit? Bruno, sit. Good. Down. 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 Not too much. Place. In place. In place. 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 And there goes that ADHD of puppy behavior now. Bruno. See if he knows heel. 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 Good. So, yeah, he needs some work, but he'll be, well, there's that down. He'll be good to go after our 2 weeks, so stay tuned for his transformation.